Hello guys, welcome again on the airline channel. Today for you I have really great stuff because I want to show you how to make money with the Amazon affiliate program. Yes, I know a lot of the people they're searching for the ways how to make money online, but not all of them really searching for the way with investment, because some of the people they don't have the money, they don't have any cent to invest to start to make the business. So that's why I decide to show you the way how to make money without investment. And actually, for some reason, this is the business. Yeah, we can choose it and we can call it, yeah, this is the business, like to make the money with the Amazon affiliate program. But also, this way is absolutely without investment, and I guess that many people can use this way how to make money online and start to make great commission with the Amazon affiliate program. So what I want to propose for you right now, guys, because on the Amazon, really all the people can start to make money from the different countries, because right there a lot of the products which the people wants to sell, yeah, and you can help them with this. You can help them with this to sell the product, and for this the Amazon will pay you commissions. So how that work? It's really simple. First of all, what you must do, you must to go to the Amazon and make the registration for the affiliate program. The second, you must to find some products which you like to promote, because some of the people maybe they like to promote some electronics, some of the people they like to promote the toys for kids, because there's the thousand of the different products which you can use, which you can promote, which you can buy. You know, all of this is really possible for the many people. So you can choose any product which you like to promote and start to make commissions with that. So as I told you, the first is make the registration, the second is to find the product which you like, the third, you must to start to make the money from the first days. So third will be, we will search with you together the places where you can make some advertisement and start to make the first commissions. This is the really simple and this is really possible for the many people. So the third will be, we'll searching for the place where you can start to make the advertisement, where you can promote these products and start to make the profit. The fourth, of course guys, the free places is good, but you must have something yours, like your blog, maybe your website. So we must to make with you together. Maybe we'll create the blog, maybe we'll make the website. We'll see. This will be the step number 4. And step number 5, of course, it will be the withdrawal of our money. We'll show the people how we making the cash together with you. We'll make this together. So actually we can start to make money together with you guys. So by the follow the steps which I will show you in these videos, it will be like video tutorial with the some steps. We will make the few steps about how to make money with the Amazon affiliate program, and you can just duplicate it for yourself, and it doesn't matter where you live. So all you need to do, just follow the steps. I will show you today in this video the first step, how to go to the registration, how to make this registration, which the website, all that stuff. So we'll go together, we'll make the registration for the affiliate program, and we'll start to make everything step by step. So I want to tell you right now, guys, really, you searching for the ways how to make money, so this will be the solution for you. This will be the solution for you, so you can start to make first cash, maybe like 100, maybe 500, maybe $1,000 US, and after that you will think to stay on the Amazon, or maybe you will go to do some business, maybe you will open some stuff, I don't know. So just I want to show you how you can make money without investment with the Amazon, and you can do that, and everybody can do that. So guys, let's go. I will show you how to make the registration. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so right now we're on the Amazon affiliate website, and I want to show you by the easy steps how to make the registration. This is really important because you must to make the registration really carefully and really writable. So what does it mean, guys? All the information which you will provide should be correct, because it will give you more chances to receive this work. But you will get it on the 100% just by going through my tutorial and just by going through my instructions on the 100% with no doubts. You will get this work. So I don't want to talk too much, guys. As always, just want to tell you that we must to make really simple steps. We must to join, we must to advertise, and we must to earn money. But for sure we must to earn money all the time. So as I told you, we will have the 5 steps, and just by go these 5 easy steps, guys, we will start to make great commissions. Why I have 5 steps? Because guys, for some reason many people don't have the platform where to promote the products. Yeah, you don't have the website right now, and maybe some of the people have, but most of you, I'm sure on the 100% that most of the people who watching this video right now, they don't have own website where to promote the product. So that's why we'll make the registration without the website, just by using Facebook, I guess. And I will show you by the simple steps how you can achieve the same which I've got already. So guys, just will click on the button join now for free. This is the really simple, and I already have the registration on the Amazon affiliate program, so we'll make everything from the beginning. I just will create the new account, so you will see exactly what you must do in the details, and I hope it will be really helpful for the many people all around the world. So we just must to create our Amazon account, because maybe some of the people have, but most of the people, yeah, I think they don't have the account. So we just make the account. So I will provide some name, just something like this, some surname. We'll provide the mail address. Just I created the new mailbox for this from the beepic.connect. The password, guys, the simple password, I provide just numbers and letters, I guess. Yep, it's ready. Re-enter the password. Create our account, guys. This is the really simple registration, but you must understand that before you don't have your platform to promote, you need to use some kind of the platforms which you use in every single day, like Facebook. That's why today I will show you exactly what you must do. So right now we must to provide the name on which one the Amazon associates will send the check, because this is like a basic option for the United States of America and also for the worldwide. Just make the same, guys, what I'm doing, and I will explain you everything in the details. So I will provide the name. This is just the example, guys. This is just example, like some name example. You must to provide correct your name, your surname. All the information which you provide should be correct on the 100%. So what I'm gonna do, just provide some name. You must provide everything in the details. Here's the address. Yep, the city. The state of province. Just I will choose the California, guys, or maybe the city I will make Los Angeles. The postal code, just let's make something like that. And then my number. Guys, you know, I created the virtual number, so it's actually the number from the United States of America. So I will explain you how to get the same number, not exactly the same, just the USA number. And actually there is the different kind of the services which provide you to get this number, because sometimes for some reasons the Amazon affiliate program, they will not gonna accept the guys from the Africa or maybe from the different countries who are so far from the United States of America. Just you must use the USA phone number. This is the really important, guys. So I just provide this right here and I will click next, guys. This is the really first field which we provide. So as we can see right now, they propose for us to choose like that address which we provide and suggesting. So just I will choose that what they suggest and we'll go next, guys, on the next page. So really this registration is really simple, but you must to make exactly the same what I'm doing to get the same what I have, guys. So this is really simple. Duplication is the really important, guys, in the everything. So I just get the website from the my Facebook, because as I told you that like not a lot of the people, not all the people have the website to where to promote the products, and we're gonna use our Facebook. So we'll provide right here the website and we'll click the add. So just something like this right here, click the button next, and here we provide that no, and after that we click confirm. Just want to make it fast so you will understand what to do, and just I don't want to take a lot of the time from you guys, just want to show you exactly everything. So we prefer associated store ID, so we just must to create some ID. Just I will make maybe be epic, maybe be epic will be okay, because yeah, I guess it will be okay. Okay, so guys, so what we must to provide? We must to provide what our website about. As we use the Facebook, so of course I will provide the business. First of all, it's the business, and maybe some traveling. I guess that's enough. So right here, what we'll provide is the following topics describe your website or mobile app. So of course we will make the business, and we will select the secondary topic is the also business. Yeah, I guess it's okay. So what the type of the Amazon items do you need to list on your website or something like that? So guys, I will choose, I guess, health and beauty is the first of all. After that, maybe clothes, maybe some home and garden, you know, something like that. You know, I think this is not that important, but we must just provide something right here. Okay, so it will be important when you will have the website, but as we provide the Facebook page, guys, what we must do, we just need to receive our account to start to work and start to get paid. So we can even, you know, provide anything. So something like this, here's something like that, and here's the traffic and monetization. How do you drive the traffic to your website, to our website? Of course, guys, how we drive the traffic to the Facebook? We will just provide this one, the SEO. We'll provide the social networks, and we'll provide email and maybe the paid search or something like that. Yeah, we have it. So how do you utilize your website and apps to generate income? So I will make the maybe eBay affiliate program, maybe okay guys, just let's make it like other affiliate program, and here's will be the e-commerce, something like that, and here will be the about the links. We can make them manually. How we'll paste all of the stuff from the Amazon on the Facebook. Of course it will be manually. So how many total unique visitors we have? Just guys, provided from the 500 to 5,000 right here. So what is your primary reason for join Amazon Associates program? Our reason, we want to make the money. That's why we're here. So to monetization, my site, other. Okay, so to get rich content to my site. Yeah, just provided to get rich content for my site. How do you heard about us, guys? About the Amazon affiliate program, I think everybody heard on the YouTube, and also it's everywhere, everybody knows. But if you don't know, maybe we provide just online search. It's right here, and here's the simple captcha which we must provide is the 4AB5D2. I think everything is ready. Guys, check one more time if everything is correct, and if it's correct, just click the button next. I hope that everything is correct right here. And right now on the next page, we must to provide our phone and get the call from the Amazon to finish our verification, to finish our registration, all that stuff. So I will provide the phone 424-336. There's the 3197. Guys, listen, if you don't know how to get United States phone number, just paste the comments below and I will make the video for you how to get the United States phone number. It's really simple. So after that, when we provide the phone number, we click the button call me now and waiting for the call. Yeah guys, I received the call right now. So listen.
Press the pound key to block future calls. Hello, this is an automated call from Amazon.com. Using the touchpad on your phone, please enter the 4-digit PIN number that was displayed on your screen.
Yes, and we provide right now, guys, it's the 5587.
We have successfully verified your PIN. Please return to Amazon.com to complete your registration. Thank you for your interest in Amazon.com. Goodbye.
Goodbye, guys. Guys, you see, so verification is ready. We made the verification and it's really simple. So as you see right now, we have the congratulations that our identification verification is complete. So what we're gonna do that we agree with the everything and we click the button next. So I hope right now our registration will be finished, and I'm sure 100% that it will go on to finish, guys. So we can see right now that congratulations, thank you for applying to the Amazon Associates program. Our unique UID, we have the BEPIC 0920, and everything is ready, guys. Everything is ready. We created our account for the Amazon affiliate program. So right now I guess everyone who's watching this video can make the registration on the Amazon affiliate program and can start to make money fast, because in the next video I'm gonna show you what you must do exactly to start to promote the products from the Amazon on the Facebook and on the different platforms. Like it's possible for everyone. You see right now, even you don't need to have the website to start to make money with the Amazon affiliate program, and it's really possible to the many people, to all the people worldwide. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you didn't subscribe yet, and don't forget to click the bell to receive all the notification, because if you're not gonna be subscribed, you can miss something important. So make it right now. If you didn't subscribe to our channel now, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Of course, stay blessed.